Hey there horror freaks, another mask review from me. So in this one, as you can see in the title, we're going to discuss the MTV Scream series Brandon James Vacuform mask. Quite a fucking mouthful there. Nothing too impressive. This is just going to be, as I said, the Vacuform mask, but we're going to go over some of the features, see how it looks with the cosplay, and just discuss a few things over it as we go along. Anyway, let's move on to the mask. So, here's the mask itself. Looking at the features, the eyes, the mouth, it looks pretty damn good. They've coloured it very well. The shading around the outside of the mask is pretty lacking. If you've watched the series, you may recognise this mask from a few scenes in the film as well, which is pretty cool. I like the fact you get to actually buy the same sort of one that's actually shown to be worn and shown in various scenes. I did buy the mask with a tag on, but I did remove it because I did just want to wear it, and it is after all just a cheap Vacuform mask. I didn't care too much for keeping the tag. It does however come with a little label with the Fun World mark and Easter Unlimited, things like that. I don't really care too much really. And it says Scream, which is cool. And on the inside of the mask, you don't usually see the inside of the mask in these mask review videos, but you can see here's got a nice little sponge. Keep your forehead nice and comfy. Absorb that sweat, you know, when you're wearing the mask quite a lot. Mask sweat. And returning back to the mask itself. Now it looks incredible when you've got the mask in a dark background, as you would when you're wearing the hood. It really emphasises the sort of gaunt cheeks, as well as the darkness around the mouth and the eyes. There is only the cheap elastic strap around the top of the mask, but it still manages to maintain the shape quite well. Overall, I'd rate this mask pretty damn high for being some cheap piece of shit I got off eBay. I know it does tend to come with a costume, but we don't get the costume in the UK, so I had to resort to looking online just to buy the mask on its own. But here's my own cosplay with the mask. Just to note, I hadn't actually attached the Velcro strip on the inside of the hood to the mask yet, or to the balaclava behind it, but I will be looking to do that when I do another cosplay video. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick review and whatever you want to call it, but please be sure to check out some of the other mask reviews on my channel, my Scream collection videos, and some of the cosplay tutorials on the masks I sell. But for now and always guys, stay spooky and please share the scares.